How migrating birds navigate thousands of miles. Every year, billions of birds begin an incredible journey. They travel thousands of miles across oceans, deserts, and continents. Some fly from the Arctic to South America. Others travel between Europe and Africa. What's even more astonishing is that many of these birds return to the exact same place every year, sometimes even to the same tree. So how do migrating birds navigate such enormous distances without maps or GPS? The answer lies in a combination of remarkable natural navigation systems. The sun compass. One of the tools birds use is the position of the sun. During the day, many species use the sun as a compass to maintain direction, but the sun moves across the sky throughout the day. To account for this, birds rely on their internal biological clock. This clock helps them adjust their direction based on the time of day. For example, if a bird knows it should be flying south, and the sun is in the west during the afternoon, it adjusts its angle accordingly. This allows the bird to stay on course, even as the sun moves. Navigating by the stars. At night, some migrating birds rely on the stars. Experiments with birds in planetariums have shown something fascinating. When the stars are visible, birds orient themselves correctly, but when the star patterns are hidden, the birds lose their sense of direction. Birds appear to use the position of constellations and the rotation of the night sky around the North Star as a guide. This means they can navigate even during long nighttime flights. Earth's magnetic field. Perhaps the most mysterious navigation system birds use is the Earth's magnetic field. Scientists believe many birds can sense this invisible field. Special cells in their bodies may detect magnetic signals from the planet. This ability, known as magnetoreception, helps birds determine north and south, even when the sun or stars are not visible. Some studies suggest birds can actually see magnetic fields as faint patterns or shadows in their vision. This allows them to stay oriented during cloudy weather or long ocean crossings. Landmarks and memory. For shorter distances, birds also use visual landmarks. Rivers, coastlines, mountain ranges, and forests help guide them. Older birds often rely heavily on memory. After completing migration once, they remember important locations along the journey. This is why experienced birds often travel more efficiently than younger ones. The role of smell. In some species, smell also plays a role. Seabirds such as albatrosses may use scent cues from the ocean to locate feeding areas. By detecting subtle chemical signals carried by the wind, they gain additional information about their location. A multi-layered navigation system. The most impressive part of bird migration is that these systems work together. Birds do not rely on just one method. They combine solar navigation, star patterns, magnetic sensing, visual landmarks, and memory. If one system fails, another can guide them. This layered approach makes bird navigation extremely reliable. One of nature's greatest journeys. Migration remains one of the most extraordinary phenomena in the natural world. Tiny birds weighing only a few grams can travel across continents and oceans with astonishing accuracy. Without maps or technology, every migration season, birds demonstrate an incredible truth. The skies are filled with travelers guided by senses humans are only beginning to understand.